How are ancient artifacts' true meanings uncovered? Imagine holding a tiny piece of the past and wondering what stories it could tell. That's exactly what archaeologists do when they try to understand ancient artifacts. They don't just look at objects. They analyze them carefully to find out what they were used for and what they meant to the people who made them. The first step is classifying and sorting artifacts based on their shape, material, and how they were made. This helps archaeologists group similar objects and figure out which ones belong to the same time period or culture. For example, pottery styles can tell us a lot about different ancient societies and how they changed over time. Next, scientists look at tiny wear marks on artifacts called use-wear analysis. These marks are like fingerprints that reveal how objects were used. If a stone tool has scratch patterns, it might have been used for cutting or carving. If a ceramic pot has burn marks, it could have been used for cooking or heating. These clues help us understand daily life and activities of ancient people. Residue analysis is another powerful tool. It involves examining traces of food, pigments, or adhesives left on objects. Finding remnants of plant fibers or animal fats can tell us what people ate or what materials they used for making their tools or decorations. This helps paint a clearer picture of their diet and technological skills. Modern technology also plays a big role. Radiometric dating methods like carbon-14 dating allow scientists to determine the age of organic materials found with artifacts. Elemental analysis, such as X-ray fluorescence, reveals what materials the objects are made of and where they came from. This can show trade routes and resource access. 3D imaging and printing are newer tools that help document artifacts in detail without risking damage. These methods allow researchers to study objects closely and even recreate missing parts or entire items virtually. Understanding the cultural context is essential too. Archaeologists study how artifacts relate to social structures, rituals, and economic systems. For example, fancy jewelry found in graves might indicate social status, while changes in pottery styles could reflect contact with other cultures or technological advances. Experimental archaeology is also useful. It involves recreating artifacts using traditional techniques to see how they were made and used. This hands-on approach helps clarify manufacturing methods and functional features. Finally, involving local communities and descendants can add valuable perspectives. Their knowledge and traditions can help interpret artifacts more accurately and respectfully. All these methods combined help archaeologists piece together the stories behind ancient objects. They don't just tell us what the artifacts are, they reveal how people lived, worked, and thought thousands of years ago.